It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 20th of January. I'm Michael Groff. An increase in clouds and even a chance at some light rain coming in here by this evening through tomorrow morning. We'll see temperatures cool off just a little bit as well, but it doesn't last too long as we'll see drier and warmer conditions for the rest of the week heading into the weekend. The prospect of unsettled weather may return for next week. Let's talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday. It was a warm day here in the valley. After a morning low of 44 degrees, we got all the way up to 76. Of course, that's nowhere near the record high of 88 degrees, which is also the all-time record high for the month of January. Outside now, here just after 7 a.m., mostly cloudy skies. 61 degrees to start this day at Sky Harbor. That's also been our low temperature so far this morning, and if that holds, that'll set a record warm low temperature for the day. Dew point sitting at 28, humidity 29%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning, it's 49 in Chandler, but most spots around the metro are in the 50s and low 60s. Temperatures held up thanks to the clouds overnight. The upper air look shows a trough in the east, a shortwave ridge here across the southwest, but another shortwave trough is heading for the west coast, and that will be a minor weather player for us over the next 24 to 36 hours. The watch warning map, extremely quiet. A couple of winter weather advisories up across the Pacific Northwest, Northern California, sections of Oregon, and such. Convective outlook, no organized severe weather. In fact, no thunder expected anywhere across the contiguous U.S. today. And precipitation for the next 7 days from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, generally just a few hundredths of an inch at best. You want some heavier totals, of course. Northern and eastern Arizona is where you will find that. And we'll go into the details of what's going on with our weather now as we check out the models. Have a look. This is the GFS. The 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. And there's that departing shortwave ridge, a trough moving on to the west coast. It's a fairly weak system, but it's drawing on some moisture, so down at the surface we'll have mostly cloudy skies today. High temperatures will still be mild, though. We'll be in the upper 60s and low 70s. This is the high-resolution NAM, the 3-kilometer NAM at 5 o'clock this afternoon, and it shows an area of very light rain coming into south-central Arizona by that point. So just in time for rush hour, could see a few raindrops this evening. I think the majority of the rain holds off until just a little bit later into the evening. But when we're talking about rain here, it's going to be light, although fairly widespread. I just don't think we see a whole lot. Just enough to wet the sidewalks, dirty up the windshield a bit, and maybe a little bit more than that, and that's all. And that'll continue overnight with cloudy skies. We'll have lows mostly in the low to middle 50s. And then tomorrow, get a chance of some light rain in the morning, mostly cloudy skies. Then we'll see the sun come out for the afternoon. High temperatures, mid-60s. All right, as we go to Wednesday, everything's out of here. We return to partly cloudy skies in the morning, mostly sunny by the afternoon. High temperatures, upper 60s. Thursday looks sunny, highs getting back into the low 70s. And then over the weekend, again, we'll see kind of a quasi-zonal flow here across the southwest. Periods of high clouds for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. High temperatures will hold generally in the low 70s. Now, by Sunday, we do see a low diving down through the western states into the Great Basin, and that will increase clouds a bit further. But I think the rain holds off, maybe a little bit of light rain for northwest Arizona up on the plateau. Then a week from today, this is Monday the 27th, a low moving through the southwest, not particularly potent, at least not off this run of the GFS, but still could be enough for a light shower or two. And going out 10 days to the end of the period, this is Wednesday the 29th, another low moving down the west coast. The European advertises this as a fairly significant feature. The GFS is trending that way, although this run shows it more moving over land, which would tend to limit the amount of moisture and precipitation that we see. But temperatures would cool off in this scenario, and we'd have to watch for the prospect of a more significant precipitation event. But it's too hard to tell this far out. All right, taking a look at the temperatures off the national blend of models. And other than tomorrow, high temperatures are at or above seasonal normals all the way into the weekend. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell so that whenever a brand new one is posted, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe out there, and you guys have yourselves a great Monday.